If modern-day tools can be so irritating, imagine how patient early humans had to be to light their fires.
What tools did they use?
Well, to find out, we'll have to travel back in time to explore the burning question: who discovered fire? The discovery of fire, or more precisely, the controlled use of fire, was one of mankind's first greatest innovations. And why not? After all, fire gives us light and warmth, helps us cook delicious food, aids and crafting tools and objects, and acts as a protector, scaring away animals that might harm us. Not just that, it also acts as a gathering spot for friends and family during special occasions, where fun things happen. In essence, fire has played a vital role throughout human history. But who exactly invented it, and how was fire discovered? Well, unfortunately, nobody is exactly sure how or when people discovered fire. However, smart scientists have proposed a few theories that could shed some light on it. Yes, one theory suggests that in the ancient past, lightning strikes might have set fires in old forests, giving early humans a chance to see and use this powerful force. Another idea is that volcanic activity might have exposed humans to natural flames, sparking their curiosity and leading them to experiment with fire. So it's certainly possible that fire was acquired naturally and maintained by using fuels for various purposes, such as cooking and heating for a while. Using fire was mostly about taking advantage of opportunities. But as time passed, our early ancestors might have found ways to create basic fires using sticks and flint as tools. Alternatively, our clever ancestors might have accidentally generated sparks by striking stones together, which could have led to the discovery of fire. Hope you learned something new today. Until next time, it's me, Professor Pikaboo, comes with something new. Oh, never mind.